I am gonna call Zach, who is my local guy. He's probably getting sick of hearing from me, but Zach, you here?
I'm here,
Holy
Dave.
cow, that was amazing.
Good to see you, buddy.
All right, Dave, so you're getting your first ICF, Nudura ICF projects. What's your plans moving forward? You got a few stick builds coming up. You're gonna continue with the Nudura?
I love that you asked that. So I've been very hesitant to put the exterior facing on this house because it's really been one of the best sales tools. Yeah. Having the ICF blocks out there for everyone to see. So I actually have 3 more projects on the books now that will be built out of Nudura. And that was neighbors telling friends that drove by. This is not a home that sits out on a main street. I mean, you have to know where you're coming to get to this home. The word is spreading, neighbors are seeing it. And so not only in new construction, we've got some remodel projects that are coming, where homeowners that are in the home that they love, but they want to add that safe room. They want to add that shelter. They want to protect their family as best they can with staying in their current home. And I understand that, I do. That's a big part of our business is remodels. We've got a couple basements, walkout basements that are coming up. And I think I have not used this product in a basement application yet. But typically it was either block that you're trying to waterproof or poured walls that you're, again, trying to waterproof, trying to insulate, trying to keep away from the ground that is pushing against them.
All those steps, right?
So yeah, it is. It's a learning process for me, but man, I feel like with this first one under the belt, I know you got to get those footings right. Those first 2 courses, you might curse a little bit. But after that, you're stacking blocks, you're snapping things together, you're getting your openings and your pre-buck installed, and the process still goes so much faster than a traditional stick-built home. And man, that adds to my bottom line. It adds to the comfort of my homeowners. It adds to the protection of their structure in their house. If you have any questions about the efficiency of Nudura forms, go visit Nudura.com or contact a local rep in your area.